Beautiful Friday morning. So let's understand my plan for trading Nifty today. तो कल निफ्टी बहुत ही bearish मोड में चला था, पर बुल्स ने उतना गिरने नहीं दिया एक्सपायरी के हिसाब से। तो आज निफ्टी का रेजिस्टेंस, टुडेज निफ्टी रेजिस्टेंस विल बी एट 25,200 ऑड लेवल्स, 25,190, 25,200। तो यहाँ से अगर नेगेटिव कैंडल स्टिक मिले तो आई वुड लाइक टू शॉर्ट द मार्केट एंड फॉर टारगेट्स ऑफ 25,090 and 25,034, and in the worst case to 24,951. Market will be bullish only above 24,254 levels, and it might go to 25,333, which will encounter a lot of resistance there. So it appears that the market is set for a correction and it might fall to 25,034. That's my target for today. But on the other hand, if it opens flat and it starts making a consolidation pattern at 25,200 and then gives a positive candlestick, then that of course means that market might go up. But for me, I think there are very less chances for that. Most chances that we go here, we make a negative candlestick pattern and we come down. So आज पुट में काम करने का मन है मेरा, तो सिर्फ मेरा प्लान है, प्लीज़ फॉलो मत कीजिए, अपना खुद का प्लान बनाइए और trade on your own. And I wish these are useful pointers for you, and if so, please do like and share this video with your other traders. Thank you very much.